Alright guys, I haven't cleaned the G since I came back from Malibu, so I put 1,000 some miles on it. It has yet to be washed. So what's going to be different in this video is this is actually 100% touch-free wash. If it's really dirty, I use the absorber to dry it off, but at this car wash here they actually have an air dryer, so that allows it to be completely touch-free. And since this has such a great coat of wax on it, and this has ceramic wax on these wheels, it makes the air dryer work completely perfectly. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I clean my G, keeping it looking this way for 15 years. My paint looks pretty spectacular, and I remember I always wanted to do ceramic on the paint, but what I told myself is when the Colonite 915 ran out, I would finally get some of that synthetic Wolfgang's puck, and as soon as I got that, that's when ceramic came out. So I've yet to run out of the actual Wolfgang puck synthetic wax, and once I run out of that is when I decided I would get the ceramic. So I'm a step behind. New products keep coming out before I'm able to finish the bottle. But for the wheels, I use ceramic on them. I put 5 coats on them. So let's see, everybody was saying how hard these are going to be to clean. Let's see with the ceramic and the hose, when we spray it off with air, how easy it is to actually clean. So let's go ahead and put some money in this and get to washing. All right, here we go. So instead of even spraying anything on it, I usually just start with this wax stuff, the foam cannon, as my soap. That's the air dryer, and it's basically done. See how this bubbles up. Oh, look at that hydro. Bam! The synthetic wax works great once every 6 months. Damn! Look at that. That ceramic is impressive. I can put on a black trim. Look at that, that's like then we'll go ahead and air dry it off. That makes this a completely 100% touchless car wash. And the reason you kind of want to do that is on black, anytime you're really rubbing into the clear coat, you kind of leave love swirls in it. So that's why you would never ever use something as stupid as this on your paint, especially with black. So at least you could touch it. I mean, yeah, if you're going to touch it, just make sure you apply moisture to the microfiber or spray on it, and it's fine. Turn this to the air here. All right, here's what makes it completely 100% touchless. Oh, look how hard it's going. I usually start at the top and just work my way down. right, that completes the 100% touchless hand wash of the car here when you're not touching the paint at all. So it's pulled out in the sun and see exactly what it looks like. It hasn't been wiped down at all. It's just been washed off and air blown dry. And let's see the results. All right, let's get out and see what we got. And there's the results of, yeah, I see this stuff needs wiped off a little bit. But it basically came out pretty good. So there you have it. And then after that, all you would take is a microfiber towel and just some spray detailer, any little spots that have water on it. Wheels came out looking great.